Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to be in this decline. I continue to focus on lower prices at the moment because there is currently no evidence at all that a low is in place, in this decline. We are still in the same wave pattern. I mean, this structure hasn't really changed in weeks, okay? I don't know, maybe even in months. I'm not entirely sure, but it's been like that now for a while. The market is really just moving in, what should I say, in slow motion, really. So XRP is everything. It's just not exciting at the moment. And what we can see here on the chart is this B wave top that occurred in November. In November. And now the price might be moving down in this C wave, which is a 5-wave pattern. Wave 1 likely bottomed here around the 21st of November at 57.5 cents. Wave 2 topped here around 70 cents early in December. Wave 3 is likely still unfolding. This here was not wave 3. It's not long enough for a wave 3, but it could be the wave A of 3 in a diagonal pattern. This wave C here, which as I said started in November, might be an ending diagonal. So that would explain why it's so choppy, really sloppy and messy price action. I mean, again, I'm doing a micro count here and it hasn't changed for a while, and that's good, but it doesn't mean it could change at any point. That's just the risk with these diagonal patterns, okay? They tend to change structure. But for now, it's playing out, it's unfolding. We're still trending lower. We've seen a small, let's say, rally after my last video. However, it's only, as it seems at the moment, a corrective rally, and it's a crystal clear 3-wave move, as XRP likes to do it typically. So if we assume that a smaller degree 4th wave topped here on the 30th of January, A wave down, B wave corrective rally, C wave next to the downside of wave 5. It's the idea that this smaller degree C wave, so basically, as I said, the C wave down appears to be an ending diagonal. So we have corrective waves and the subwaves, which means also the 3rd wave is an ABC structure, and it seems like the C wave of wave 3 is also an ending diagonal. So it's super complex. Whenever we're going that much into the micro and you have diagonals and diagonals and diagonals, well, you can basically guarantee that the wave count will change in the near future. But for now, it's being followed. And as I said in the last video, I'm still looking at possibly a target next of around 45.5 cents, which is the next FIB level. Here, the golden ratio, 61.8 FIB. And it's also around these previous swing lows. So there could be some more substantial support. And ideally, the price is getting there, because then wave 3 could be complete. Then we get a wave 4 rally. And then I would have to, however, shift the resistance area to the downside. So let's assume we really get to that 45.5 cent level. Then the resistance area would be between 53.3 cents and 59. At the moment, it's still a little higher. I measure it against the last low. Again, another low will mean the resistance area for the next wave up will reduce as well. So that's the primary scenario. That means somewhere in this orange box, we should be able to find a low. However, one more low, especially here below this August low, would actually be ideal, because the C wave ideally goes below the A wave low. Yeah, I mean, another alternative that I'm thinking about. So this is the primary scenario, very complex, but it's very boring as well. So the alternative would be a more complex A, B, C structure, where the B wave didn't top here, but it's basically still unfolding as an A, B, C structure. So it's just a little bit more extended, and the sell-off in wave C is not unfolding yet. It will be delayed a little bit. That would not be bullish yet. So I think it would be most bullish would be for it now to complete this correction properly and not to drag it out again. And then when it can complete this correction by breaking ideally below that August low, either in wave 3 or in wave 5 then to recover more substantially towards $1, maybe even higher, maybe even break out. But a breakout from here seems difficult. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.